Hey guys, we are back and oh my god, glitchy. I hate glitchy. Jessica is still trying to find her new mate. And but I am gonna keep on sleeping because come on, hurry up, me. Slow. Another carcass. But I am hungry. So I don't care if I don't finish it. The only thing I care is about. See, like people are killing these poor elks. If I see more elk on my way, I'm just gonna eat it a little and a little and a little each time. Oh my god, bro, I'm so close to the mountain. How did I get that close? I'm not kidding. Look how close I am. Be right back. Hey guys, I am back. I had to go. I had to go to a party. It was my brother's. Well, not my brother. Ooh, yes! The snooter out. Snooter. On the other side. Bro, like there's a lot of carcasses. Ooh. Make my day. I give in. He's gonna see. I'm boss back off. Oh, that was a female! Dang. She's aggressive, bro. She's aggressive, real aggressive. Now we have to go activate her back. So there will be spawning males. Like if I were back at the other place that I was, there would be another male or female. So I am about to die. Can I spawn anything? That carcass right here. I'm just gonna click. I am starving. Bro, she's scary. I thought it was a male. People these days. Losing my patience. That's too much. I need less meat. I want to finish this. What the hell is that? It's a little red thing. Ball. So, oh my god, I'm still full. Bruh. So, well, I need to keep on heading this way. I'm so close into there. So, he's like trying to steal my food. Hey, yo, Hummingbird, get the heck out of here. You don't eat meat. Bro. Why is he alone right now? Ugh. Yes. More meat. Oh, I guess it does have. It's like the same. So, I don't know what the heck is wrong with this carcass. I completely ate it all. You attack some. I need to attack one more. So then, finally, there you go. I'm done. Now I could go head up to that main. Yeah, now. See, I was at the same place, like right now. Same place. So next, I'm gonna go at the next purple where it says grassy plains, when it says high something or dead tree. The dead tree, I think that's where I hunt. I don't know. Like, I know I hunted somewhere by there. I hunted something. Things under. Where am I? So close to that. So I so far. This is so easy. What? It has so much. Whatever. I don't care. A coyote could come and eat you. I don't care. All I need is deer. And if I get upon a pack, I ain't gonna hunt. No, I'm stupid. I knew there would be a carcass around here. Candy. As you can see, this one still has its heart and its nose. Sure, it stays. Wait, this is smallest. Am I getting out of the territory? Like, I'm smelling. Sneeze the best. I don't know. Okay. this. It's all the way down there. Okay, now. Oh, Snooter. Snooter's got some. Like, look at the yellow. Can I like kill a butterfly? Look. Oh, it's a female. I'm out here. I don't date females. I don't date females, bruh. So you get out of my face, cause I ain't big. You could just get out of my face. Bro, there's like so many females. So on my next video, I will have you guys pick out the names. I still haven't seen perfect names. My cubs, but I did find a few. I'm not going to show you guys. I'm just going to name them when I name them. Please comment down because I want to name them really soon. So please comment down below and hit that subscribe button. And hit that subscribe button now. Also be sad, like this. Or like this. Or like that. I'll be mad. So I'm gonna be sitting right here. Bye guys! See you guys soon. Bye!